So I did a level 2 technical extended certificate in 2019 and then did my level 3 1080 animal management, and currently on the bachelor's degree for animal welfare, ecology and conservation.
I started in 2019 on the level 2 course, and I stayed on to 2020 and 2022 doing the level 3, and now I'm on the level 4.
So for this course, one of my teachers last year got me quite heavily invested into conservation, and I made a complete career change because I wanted to originally be a vet, and then I started exploring conservation and decided that that's the path I wanted to go down. So I wanted to get as much information as I could.
I've always really liked animals and sort of the conservation side of it, and as soon as I realised that you can sort of make a career out of it, I was sort of sold already. Subject of the classes aside, probably meeting like-minded people, because it's not every day that people who have such a passion that are the same as you are all in a room together and you can talk about it and get other people's opinions on it and stuff. So probably that side of it, as well as the actual class material itself.
So the uni building is nice. It's a nice place, I think, for uni students because it's a separate building altogether. So you're not mingling with FE students, and you can actually you're the only people that can come into this building.
I think we honestly have great facilities here. We have a whole building for a uni building, and down at the animal park we have all the equipment we really need to do anything, really.
I quite enjoy the teaching style going on here, but that's also one of the reasons why I wanted to come here, because I knew the teaching style and the teaching style worked for me, and it works in conjunction with the fact that we've got smaller classes. Because we have smaller classes, teachers can sort of focus in a little more. So all the little questions, all the teachers have answered, and if there's any issues going on with assignments, they're always open to reach.
So right now I'm on the level 4 course for ecology and conservation, and I'm hoping to stay on to level 6 and get my bachelor's in it, and then go out into the field of conservation. But right now I'm going to sort of try and build up my portfolio to stand out on those applications.
It helps. I think it helps a lot because the education aspect of it, even though a lot of people think conservation say you don't need it, I think it's quite helpful because you gather a lot more knowledge. I know the different species of topshell now, I know different plant species and just a bunch of flora and fauna, so animals and plants. I know a lot more nowadays, and I know how to format work a lot better.
Definitely the qualifications side of it. It's hard to get into things if you don't have the right qualifications for it. But also the practical hands-on experience with the animals. Transferable things is I can cut hooves now and sort of health check an animal, and that is quite versatile. Other than that, I think it's just more the way you present yourself in the industry and the way you go about these things, sort of getting the connections.